How to view plane ticket on Expedia. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to discuss on how to view your flight ticket on Expedia app. So if you're having trouble accessing your ticket, don't worry, this video will guide you through the solution. So just follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to open the Expedia application on your mobile device and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version available and then log into your specific account. Now go to the trip section from the bottom center of the screen, and here you will see your upcoming trips and itinerary. Tap on the itinerary you want to view, and all of your flight details and tickets will be displayed. Additionally, you can also check in online before your flight to receive your ticket on your mobile device. Alternatively, you can bring your confirmation to the airport and check in at the counter or with an agent who will provide you with a physical ticket. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can view your plane ticket on Expedia. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.